Sneakerheads, I need your attention right now in the beginning of this video. Welcome to another video. If you guys love sneakers, which I know you do, you're on a sneaker channel, you clicked on this video, you guys need Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes high quality bags for sneakerheads when they travel. This is their duffel bag. They also make backpacks and a lot of other type of bags for sneakerheads, once again, when you guys travel. So right here, let me show you guys the features of this bag. Right here, on the side of the bag, I have my University Blue Air Jordan 1s, and on the other side, check this out. Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s, guys. Both of them jam-packed in there. And then I also have tons of space for a lot more sneakers. I have like 5 or 6 pairs of sneakers in here right now, guys. Check this out. We'll undo the zipper, take a look. But got a bunch of Jordan 1s, some Jordan 3s in here. Lots and lots of shoes. I'm gonna take all of them out. Look at this, guys. Tons and tons of space in Sole Premise bags. Make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below in the description to solepremise.com. And make sure you use my discount code, Danny Moore, to save yourself 40% off your order from solepremise.com. Guys, I love Sole Premise. They're made for sneakerheads when you travel. High quality backpacks to hold your sneakers when you're going on vacation, away for the weekend, anything like that. Backpacks, travel bags, any type of bag you guys need, Sole Premise has. Tons of colorways. You're gonna find a bag you are going to fall in love with, I guarantee it. Click the link down below in the description and use my discount code, my name, Danny Moore, for 40% off your order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get straight into this fire Air Jordan 1 video. Jordan 1s that have already gone up in price. I'm going to tell you guys right now, for resale and investment purposes, this is a Jordan 1 I don't think you should buy anymore. They might go up a few dollars more, but it will take quite a bit. This is a sneaker I think you guys should avoid. Stay away from this Jordan 1. Yes, I'm saying it. They have gone up in price already. This sneaker released last year. This is a very dope, fire, straight fire pair of Jordan 1s. This right here is my personal pair. I love the sneaker, guys. More family. I think the sneaker's crazy. Straight fire. This right here is a dope Jordan 1, but like I said, man, they've already gone up. They've already gone up, so don't purchase them. Purchase them to rock. Not for investment purposes. Let's unbox them. If you guys love sneakers and you love sneaker content here on YouTube, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really helps the channel grow. Please, guys, take a second, help the YouTube algorithm and click that thumbs up for me. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneakers, which I know you do. You're watching a sneaker video here on YouTube, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're at 31,000 subscribers, on the way to 100K. Let's get there. Let's hit it this year. I need your help. Hit that subscribe button. So right here we have a pair of Air Jordan 1s, and we have a different type of Jordan 1 box. Not your typical Jordan 1 box. This is the reverse Jordan 1 box. And this is a women's Air Jordan 1. Jordan 1 in women's colorways, women's exclusives, they take longer to go up in price. They do go up in price, don't get me wrong, but compared to men's pairs, they tend to take a little bit longer for whatever reason. I think personally is because some men just do not want to wear women's sneakers for whatever reason. I personally do not have a problem with it. As long as I can rock the shoe, I'm good with it. I like it. I can rock it. It's my size. I'm good. This right here is a clean Jordan 1. Let's get straight into this. It is a personal pair, size 12, which is a 10.5 men. I can wear a 10.5 or an 11. And right here, we have the Jordan 1. Woo, oh my goodness. I love looking at these. These are so clean. The Jordan 1. Women's exclusive. The UNC to Chicago. These are straight fire. As I'm adjusting the camera, give me a second. Guys, these are straight fire. I think these are incredible. The colorway is awesome. The fact that it's leather is awesome. I love that it's leather. Leather Jordan 1s, in my opinion, are the best. What do you guys think about that? Do you like all leather Jordan 1s? Do you like maybe some suede or nubuck on your Jordan 1s? Leave a comment and let me know. But I definitely prefer all leather. I love this colorway. You do have that beautiful blue, and then it fades into the toe with the red bottom. Man, really nice colorway. Very dope. It's not the exact UNC blue. In fact, it's a little too dark, but it's close enough. I think it's very, very dope nonetheless. And this is a Jordan 1, and that they did a really good job on. Women's exclusive. They have gone up in price. When this sneaker dropped, they weren't going for much. I would say they were going for around $210, $220. They have gone up to around $280, some sizes $300, so they have gone up a little bit in price. I definitely think they will go up a little more, but I don't know if this is one necessarily worth buying right now to hold on to anymore. If you're holding on to pairs and you don't want to let them go, continue holding on to them, sure. As far as already spending, you know, $280 on pairs, man, I don't know. I definitely say they will go up a little more, but are they really worth it? I don't know. They've already gone up quite a bit since release, which was a little more than a year ago now. I believe I want to say a year and a month, it seems like. I think it was like February. It was like the beginning of 2020. I know that these dropped. So a very, very dope Air Jordan 1 nonetheless. And this right here, once again, is my personal pair that my parents picked up for me for Christmas. They got them from StockX. So awesome shoe. I love them. They're very, very clean. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Do you own a pair? If you do, let me know down below. I love them. I honestly can't wait to rock them. I don't know why I haven't pulled them out yet. I don't know. I've been sleeping. I need to rock them. They're clean. Nike Air on the tongue. Everything that we want in a Jordan 1 is right here. Guys, it's true. Everything we want in a Jordan 1 is really right here. Quality is nice. All leather. Right? The colorway is awesome. Very easy to rock. Dope Jordan 1 at the end of the day. Like I said, just a women's exclusive, which I guess hurts. I feel like women's exclusives hurts Jordan 1s in a way when it comes to resale, because it takes a little bit longer for them to go up no matter what the colorway is. They all will and do seem to go up. Let me know what you guys think about them down below. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys also check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, once again for sponsoring today's video. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the More family. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching here. Another video on the channel. Got a bunch of content on the way, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.